What's going on, ladies and gents? It's your boy Bobby L's here, aka SharkLife. I'm here with SharkLife Stampede, getting ready to do this body mount mod. As you can see, it's riding factory height. You see, you got the gap in between there. I'm trying to bring this down some, and I watched the video, and I haven't seen it since, but they took Traxxas 3727A and used the battery post, and Traxxas 3647, which actually came off my old ones. I replaced them with the blue ones, lug nuts, and they removed the standard mount, which is this part right here, and put the battery mounts on here, which lowered the body. So that's the first mod I'm about to do, and we're gonna see how that turns out. And I hope y'all like it. I hope it helps some of y'all, and we're gonna get to that right about now. SharkLife RC. I'm getting ready to start the mod right now. So the first step I suggest that you do is take the two body mounts off. I've loosened one screw already, but you're gonna take both screws out of here, out of the top here. You're gonna take one out of here. I already took the other one out. You're gonna take this out first. Make sure you put your screws to the side, man, so you don't lose them. Cause I don't want to lose them. So this is the front. Let me get comfortable here. So we're gonna put this out the way for right now. Sit this over here. We'll go to the front. So first thing you want to do, say you're gonna take two of the battery mounts that actually come in the Traxxas 3727A. So you're gonna take two of these, and we're gonna put them on the post. So you can see this is the factory. This is with the mod. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you see how lower it is. It's almost like half the size. So let's see how this works. Move the screw to the bottom. Should be the same size as the ones that took the. Do that. Set that to the side. Keep up with your screws. I suggest if you're not going to use the same screw, to screw it back in here just to keep up with it. Yeah, let's get some more light. Alright, need to get some light going on here. Let's try that. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Do subscribe back. So do this. I usually be doing this in the living room, but the missus is working from home during the quarantine, so got this little thing where I can work in the bedroom and chill out, so she can have our office space. So, okay, back to the mod. Take your battery post. You're gonna just slide it in there, like so. Now you're gonna take this nut that usually is the standard for the Traxxas 4x4 Stampede wheel locking nut. They're actually black, but I took them out, swapped them out with the blue ones that are currently on mine. So, I don't know if you can see the blue ones, but currently got blue ones on mine. So I kept them, and come to find out that I'm gonna need to put one on here to hold it on. So once you get that tightened on there, I wouldn't tighten it 100%, you know, leave some space, but just enough. You can take this Traxxas tool, spin it a couple times, and just hold it with your finger. That's good enough. You don't want it too tight. You do that for that side. Do the same thing for this. Like so. Take this, I kind of figured this is kind of a little easier to work with. Don't want to lose one. Keep up with your tools, fellas, in your sometimes you might have to resort to this. Hold it in place and tighten it down like that. You just want it secure. That's all you want. If you need to adjust it, you can adjust it to however you want your pins to go on your body. So just gonna tighten this one down some more. Alright, that should be good. And boom. Got the front mount different. Now you can see the difference in it. Before and after. It's a big difference. So let's see how this works. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back on the front. Then we'll put the rear, take the rear off. And we'll do the same thing with the rear. All right, it's one, and we got two. And there we go. We got the front done. And I can already tell I like it. Looks good how low it's gonna be. So let's do the rear. We're gonna remove it. We're gonna remove the rear body mount. That's what this is called, the rear body mount. We're gonna remove this part. Do the same thing we did with the front. Since I ain't working with too many screws, I set it for right now, but I really suggest you using the tray to sit your screws down, because you can make one bump, hit it. Okay, now we got the rear mount off. Do the same thing, remove the two top mounts. So let's start with this one. And just take it off, same way. Screw out. Like I say, good storage is putting the screw back in where it originally came from. Put it back in there like so. You know that one belongs to that. Same thing to the other side. Mount. Do the same thing to both sides. You're gonna take your second bag of 30. Man, listen. I'm not editing anything. This is uncut, straight to it. So you're gonna take your second bag of 3727A. And you're gonna take out your body mounts, battery mounts, post. And you're gonna do the same thing you did in the first one. Right in there. Use your nut at the end. Slide the nut. Slide that in there like that. Slide the nut on the bottom. And tighten down. Just tighten it down. Like so. Same thing for the other side. Just tighten it down. You can leave some play, but not too much. Like I said, you can adjust this to how you want your pins to be set on the body of your car. Like that. And you just put it back on, like so. Take your screws back in there. Tighten it back down. It's not too hard. It's not a hard mod. It's very easy. You just got to make sure you get the right items, and that's it. And that does it. SharkLife Stampede 4x4 with the body mount mod. There you go. SharkLife Stampede with the body mount mods. See if I can get in there a little bit more. See, I had the bottom of them, the nut at the bottom of them. So like I said, you need 4 of them. And you should see a significant difference in the ride height of your truck. So let's see what we got here. Let's put the body on real quick. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Look at that there. Big difference. Big difference. And I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Next mod coming up. Holler at y'all later. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. SharkLife RC. We here, baby. Body mount mod. Big difference. Big difference.